Weird American laws. Imagine this gloriously disgusting scene on a foggy San Francisco morning. A hipster in a beanie stands proudly next to his dirty Tesla, holding a pair of very used, slightly stained boxer shorts. He dips them in a bucket of soapy water and starts enthusiastically wiping the hood of his car in big circular motions. Suddenly, a San Francisco parking enforcement officer walks up, stops dead in his tracks, and yells, "Sir, drop the underwear. You cannot wipe your car with used underwear. It's against the law." The hipster freezes mid-wipe, the dirty boxers still stuck to the hood. "But it's eco-friendly, and I already washed them once." The officer, looking horrified, replies, "Doesn't matter. In San Francisco, it is illegal to clean or wipe any vehicle with used underwear or any soiled undergarment. That's gross, and it's illegal." The hipster stares in disbelief while the used boxers slowly slide down the windshield. "So I can use a microfiber cloth, but not my own boxers?" Officer nods with pure disgust. "Exactly. Welcome to San Francisco." Yes, this is a real, wonderfully gross law from San Francisco, California. It is illegal to wipe your car with used underwear or any soiled undergarment. Stick around. We're diving nose first into one of the most hilariously disgusting and strangely specific car care laws in America. Why would San Francisco need to ban used underwear car washing? Who wrote this rule? Is it still on the books? And what kind of chaotic comedy happens when someone tries to save money on car cleaning supplies? By the end of this video, you'll never look at a dirty car the same way again. Welcome to Law Tunes USA, the channel that fearlessly drags America's strangest, dumbest, and grossest laws into the spotlight with bright cartoons,
Subscribe and drop a like.
savage satire, and non-stop laughs. Today's episode is pure dirty laundry comedy. Illegal to wipe your car with used underwear, San Francisco's grossest car care law. This law is a classic example of San Francisco's unique mix of environmentalism, public health obsession, and over-the-top regulation. Apparently, one too many people were spotted using old socks, dirty t-shirts, or, yes, used underwear to wipe down their cars on the street. City officials decided this practice was not only unsanitary, but also a public nuisance, so they passed a very specific ordinance. No person shall use any used or soiled undergarment to clean, polish, or wipe any vehicle within city limits. The wording is delightfully specific and gross. In San Francisco, it is illegal to use underwear, briefs, boxers, panties, or any soiled undergarment to clean or maintain a motor vehicle. No exceptions for "they were washed yesterday." No loopholes for "it's just cotton." Just a hard no on dirty underwear car detailing. Let's animate the glorious chaos. A foggy San Francisco street, a proud hipster dips his used boxers in soapy water and starts scrubbing his dirty Tesla with enthusiasm. Soap suds fly, the underwear leaves suspicious streaks. Suddenly, a parking officer appears, recoils in horror, and shouts, "Drop those boxers! You can't wipe your car with used underwear in San Francisco!" Cut to the courtroom for maximum satire. The defendant stands there holding a plastic bag labeled "Evidence, Used Boxers." The judge slams the gavel with visible disgust. "You have been charged with illegally cleaning your vehicle with soiled undergarments. How do you plead?" The hipster shrugs. "Not guilty, Your Honor. It's sustainable and saves money." The prosecutor holds up the boxers with tongs. "Your Honor, this man was spreading unsanitary bacteria across public streets." The defense lawyer pleads, "Objection! My client is environmentally conscious." The judge pinches his nose. "Guilty. Fined $150, and you are permanently banned from using any undergarment, used or otherwise, to clean vehicles." Next case. The what-if scenarios are comedy gold. A broke college student using his old socks to wipe his car gets pulled over instantly. An influencer filming zero-waste car wash challenge with dirty underwear
Subscribe and drop a like.
terminated for gross violation. A guy trying to impress his date with eco-cleaning his car with boxers gets a horrified reaction and a ticket. A grandma using her old bloomers to polish her classic Cadillac gets a very awkward conversation with the officer. Even if this law is rarely enforced today, it perfectly captures San Francisco's legendary combination of extreme environmental rules and extreme germophobia. Bonus ridiculously gross and specific California laws. Illegal to wipe your car with used underwear in San Francisco. Can't tie a giraffe to a telephone pole in Atlanta. Horses can't eat fire hydrants in Marshalltown, Iowa. No whistling underwater in Vermont. San Francisco doesn't just have tech bros, it has official underwear car washing regulations. So here's the final verdict, delivered while holding your nose. Is it illegal to wipe your car with used underwear in San Francisco? Technically, yes, the old ordinance is still on the books. Practically, you probably won't get arrested for one quick wipe, but why risk a $150 fine and becoming the next Law Tunes star caught on camera with dirty boxers? Next time your car is dirty in San Francisco, just use a proper sponge or pay for a car wash. Your neighbors, the parking officers, and everyone within smelling distance will thank you. If this gross underwear-wiping San Francisco madness made you laugh, made you feel slightly nauseated, or made you appreciate how wonderfully weird local laws can get, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to Law Tunes USA and hit the bell for daily animated weird law stories. Comment below, what's the grossest or weirdest car law you've ever heard? I read every single comment. Until next time, stay curious, stay legal, and whatever you do, don't wipe your car with used underwear in San Francisco. See you in the next one.